Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down one of the most exciting new opportunities, $200 per tap 2026. If you've been looking for a super simple way to make money, then $200 per tap 2026 might be exactly what you need right now. So what is $200 per tap 2026? It's a brand new system where you can earn $200 per tap every single time you tap the ATM inside the platform. Yes, literally $200 per tap 2026. You log in, tap the ATM, and instantly get paid up to $200. You can do this multiple times a day. That's it. No complicated stuff. This is why $200 per tap 2026 is gaining so much attention. It's one of the fastest and easiest methods to create real daily income right now. Most opportunities require hours of work or complicated strategies, but with $200 per tap 2026, it's ridiculously simple. Just tap and collect your money. If you want a method that actually pays fast and requires almost zero effort, then $200 per tap 2026 is worth checking out immediately. The timing couldn't be better. Because $200 per tap 2026 is still very new, the people who get in early are going to make the most money. So if you're ready to start earning $200 per tap 2026, I made it super easy for you. Click the link in the description right now and check out the system. This really is as simple as it sounds. $200 per tap 2026. Tap once, get paid. Tap again, get paid again. Again, if you want to start collecting $200 per tap 2026, the link is waiting for you in the description and pinned comment. Click it and get started today. Imagine doing just a few taps every day and seeing $200 payments hitting your account instantly. That's exactly what $200 per tap 2026 is delivering for people right now. One more time, if you're serious about making easy money with $200 per tap 2026, click the link in the description right now and lock in your position. This opportunity is moving very fast. The sooner you start with $200 per tap 2026, the bigger your advantage will be. So go ahead and click the link in the description or pinned comment, check out the $200 per tap 2026 system, and start collecting your first commissions today. If this video got you excited and you're ready to try $200 per tap 2026, drop a in the comments and let me know you're in. Thanks for watching. Click that link right now, take action on $200 per tap 2026, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2026 your most profitable year yet.